What if you could add an extra 10, 20, or even $50,000 to your monthly revenue without hiring a single new employee? It sounds crazy, right? But it's not. This is the power of AI automation, and today, I am going to show you exactly how local businesses are using it to explode their growth, and how you can get a piece of this multi-billion-dollar pie. This isn't about some far-off futuristic tech. This is happening right now, and the businesses that get in early are the ones who will dominate their local markets. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes, and I'll break down the entire high-ticket AI automation model, step by step. We'll cover what it is, who it's for, and the exact services you can start offering today. So, what is AI Automation Agency, or AAA? Simply put, it's about using artificial intelligence to handle repetitive, time-consuming tasks for local businesses. Think about a typical dental office, a law firm, or a high-end restaurant. They spend hours every single day on things like appointment booking, answering common customer questions, lead follow-up, and managing social media. These are essential tasks, but they drain valuable time and resources that could be spent on actually serving clients and growing the business. This is where you come in. As an AI automation expert, you build and implement systems that take over these tasks. You're not just selling software, you're selling a result. You're selling time, efficiency, and ultimately more profit. And because the return on investment for the business is so high, they are willing to pay you premium, high-ticket prices for these solutions. We're talking retainers of $2, $5, or even $10,000 per month per client. Let's get specific. What kind of businesses are perfect for this? Think high-value, service-based local businesses. We're talking about dentists, chiropractors, med spas, law firms, real estate agencies, mortgage brokers, and luxury home service contractors like roofers or remodelers. Why them? Because a single new client for them is worth thousands of dollars. If your AI system can bring them just 1 or 2 extra clients a month, your service pays for itself many times over. That makes your high-ticket price a no-brainer for them. Now, let's dive into the core services you can offer. The first and most profitable is the AI-powered appointment setter. Imagine a chatbot on a dentist's website that doesn't just answer questions, but intelligently qualifies visitors, answers their questions about insurance and procedures, and books them directly into the dentist's calendar 24/7. It never gets tired, it never calls in sick, and it can handle dozens of conversations at once. This single service can instantly increase a clinic's new patient numbers by 20 to 30%. How do you build this? You use tools like Go High Level, ManyChat, or VoiceFlow. These platforms have become incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding genius. You use a visual, drag-and-drop interface to build conversation flows. You'll connect the chatbot to a knowledge base, basically a document with all the business's frequently asked questions, pricing, and services. Then you integrate it with their calendar, like Google Calendar or a specialized booking software. When a potential patient asks, "Do you accept Delta Dental Insurance?" the AI scans the knowledge base, provides the correct answer, and then says, "Great, we have an opening for a new patient consultation this Thursday at 2 p.m. Would you like to book that?" It's that simple, yet that powerful. The second killer service is automated lead nurturing. Most businesses are terrible at follow-up. A lead comes in from their website or a Facebook ad, and what happens? Maybe someone sends one email, makes one phone call, and then forgets about it. Statistics show it takes an average of 8 touch points to convert a lead into a customer. 8. No one has time for that manually. With AI, you can automate this entire sequence. When a new lead comes in, the system immediately triggers a personalized series of emails, SMS messages. For example, for a real estate agent, a new lead could instantly get a text message saying, "Hi John, this is the AI assistant for Sarah, your local realtor. She saw you were interested in the property on Elm Street. She's with a client right now, but wanted me to ask if you had any initial questions I can help with." This immediate, personal feeling engagement is a game changer. It keeps the lead warm and engaged until the agent is free to take over. This system ensures no lead ever falls through the cracks again. The third high-ticket service is review and reputation management. For any local business, online reviews are their lifeblood. More positive reviews mean higher rankings on Google and more trust from new customers. But actively asking every happy customer for a review is a hassle. You can automate it. You can set up a system that automatically texts a customer a day after their appointment or service. On a scale of 1 to 10, how was your experience? If they reply with a 9 or 10, the system automatically follows up with, "That's wonderful to hear. Would you mind sharing your experience on Google? It would mean the world to us." And it sends them the direct link. If they reply with a 6 or lower, instead of sending a review link, it can alert the office manager to a potential issue so that they can resolve it privately. This both boosts positive reviews and prevents negative ones. So how do you actually sell this? You don't lead with the tech. You lead with the business outcome. You don't say, "I want to sell you an AI chatbot." You say, "I can help you get 15 new, qualified patient appointments every month, guaranteed." You start by offering a free AI audit. You analyze their current processes, how they handle new leads, how they book appointments, how they follow up. You identify the bottlenecks and show them, with real numbers, how much money they're leaving on the table. For example, problem: you're missing calls and losing leads after hours. Solution: we will implement a 24/7 AI appointment setter that integrates with your calendar. Expected ROI: an increase of 10 to 15 booked appointments per month, valued at approximately $15,000 in new revenue. Your fee, $3,000 per month. The value is undeniable. The beautiful thing about this model is its scalability. Once you build a system for one dentist, you can take that same template and slightly modify it for another dentist in a different city. You're not reinventing the wheel every time. Your first client is the hardest. Your second is easier. By your 10th, you'll have a well-oiled machine. The tools are accessible, the demand from businesses is skyrocketing, and the profit margins are huge. This isn't just another trend, it's a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. The opportunity to get in on the ground floor and become the go-to AI expert in your area is right here, right now. Don't let it pass you by. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into building a profitable online business. I've also linked some of the tools I mentioned in the description below. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.